Today, I'll show you how to find and delete duplicate files in Google Drive. If your drive is feeling cluttered or you keep opening the wrong version of a document, this walkthrough will help you clean things up and stay organized. First, you'll want to open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're on the main Drive page, you'll see your folders and files laid out in either a list or grid view. Either view is fine, but list view usually makes it easier to spot duplicates because you can see names, types, and dates all in one row. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to narrow things down. You can search using a file name if you know it, or even just part of the name. For example, if you tend to save versions of the same document with similar titles, type in the common part of that title. You can also search by file type by clicking the filter icon in the search bar and choosing things like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or PDFs. This is helpful if you suspect you have multiple copies of the same kind of file. Once your search results appear, it's time to sort them so duplicates are easier to spot. Look for the column headers at the top of your file list. You can click on Name to sort alphabetically or Last Modified to sort by date. Sorting by name will group together files with similar titles, which is usually the quickest way to find duplicates. Sorting by Last Modified can help you decide which version is the most recent and which ones are likely safe to remove. Now, carefully scan through the list for duplicate files. You're looking for items that have nearly identical names, such as copies with one or copy of in the title, or multiple versions of the same document saved separately. Pay attention to the file type and the last modified date so you don't accidentally delete something important. When in doubt, quickly open a file in a new tab and confirm what it is before you remove it. When you've identified the duplicates you want to delete, it's time to select them. Click once on a file to select it. To select multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each duplicate. You'll see them all highlighted, which means they're ready for the next step. With your duplicate files selected, move your cursor over any one of them, then right-click. A context menu will appear. From that menu, click on Remove. This will move the selected files to your Google Drive trash. They won't disappear permanently right away, which gives you a little safety net in case you change your mind. If you want to free up space immediately, you can go to the trash section in the left-hand sidebar and permanently delete those removed files. Otherwise, Google Drive will automatically clear them out after a period of time. And that's it. By opening Google Drive, using the search tools, sorting your files, carefully spotting duplicates, selecting them, and choosing Remove, you can quickly tidy up your drive and make it easier to find exactly what you need.